An introduction to SPEC's solid walk-in chambers. Solid walk-in chambers are used by the automotive, solar, and electronics industries to test their products in extreme conditions, where typical panel-type chambers would be damaged. The advantages of solid construction over panelized or cooler box construction is that they can be operated in temperatures above 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and can be used for humidity testing at temperatures above 75 Celsius or the popular 85-85 test. It can also withstand faster temperature changes due to their heavy-duty construction, allowing testing at 10 degrees Celsius per minute or faster.
Today we're going to take a look at SPEC's solid walk-in chambers. Behind me I have one of our larger solid walk-in chambers on the test line here at the factory. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features and details of this equipment. Now we're inside the solid walk-in chamber. Now solid, what do we mean by that? That means we've taken stainless steel sheet metal and welded it together hermetically to form the walls of the chamber, to keep the heat, cold, and humidity inside the chamber from leaking out. In lesser applications, we use panelized construction, where the panels are just caulked together, but this chamber can go at high temperatures up to 150 Celsius, cold down to minus 65, and humidity up to 95% at 85 Celsius. These environments are created by our modular air plenum, or MAP as we call it. Now our solid walk-in chambers ship in two pieces. The chamber, which I just explained, is one piece, and then the modular air plenum separately. The modular air plenum is just simply slid into place through a hole in the back of the chamber, as you see here, and then sealed in place. In this case, we're using yellow Teflon tape to seal it temporarily on our test line, but at a customer site, we use stainless steel flashing for a more permanent finish. Now, how does the MAP work? Well, it's drawing the air from in the chamber through the bottom grill here and passing it upwards through a cooling coil here, which is supported by a 22 horsepower cascaded refrigeration system, which is what enables it to get to minus 65 Celsius. Then the air passes on up to heaters, which is what enables the chamber to get up to 150 Celsius. These heaters are what are called sheath heaters, so they're not exposed wire heaters like you might find in other test chambers. Now, moving all this air through the MAP are two 12-inch fans supported by motors outside the MAP system and are driven by long stainless steel shafts. Now, how is all this environment being controlled and measured? We have a sensor well in the corner here, which has your thermocouple sensor as well as your wet bulb sensor for measuring the humidity. As an added feature, this model also includes a product temperature sensor, where this thermocouple can be connected to your test sample to make sure that it's meeting the desired conditions.
SPEC's standard modular air plenum provides distinct advantages of users of solid walk-in chambers. Modular air plenum detaches easily for flexibility in shipping and move-in. Because the plenum is external, the full chamber is usable without any wasted space or added mass that may slow down performance. Hinged service panels provide easy access to the refrigeration system. And sheathed heaters that are more durable and easier to maintain than wire heaters. For more information about SPEC's solid or panelized chambers, go to spec.com to get our walk-in chamber brochure.